Moscow, autumn 2017. Modern city tram. Nice, warm, comfortable for all passengers. Comes clear on the schedule, doesn't interfere with the movement of the rest of the transport, and does not create a queue from other trams thanks to the cancellation of the turnstiles. Move faster than 15 years ago. A real fairy tale which is still possible only in a prosperous Moscow, but the harsh reality in other big cities. The fact that the tram is still traveling on rails is a fortune for the city, because in most cases the railway covering for trams leaves much to be desired. Rusted, twisted, diverged. These are common defects on the roads. Tramways and all tramway facilities have already morally and physically obsoleted. Carrying out reconstruction of the way in such cities as Kiev, Kharkov, Dnipro, Kryvyi Rih, Kamenskaya, Zaporizhia, we can see the problems with which the mayors of these cities are facing. It is the safety of passenger traffic first of all. To ensure the safety of passenger transportation is the task of those who are engaged in laying and reconstruction of tramways. But when the first offers a solution to the problem, the other produces metal structures, the third delivers, the fourth laying the tracks, and so on. The result is usually one. No one is responsible for anything. Another matter is an integrated approach. This is done by units. But the most successful comprehensive solutions are offered by Tekhenergoprom Group, a company that has been operating in the metallurgical industry for 20 years. We are moving to the full complex of work, not only supplying with materials different objects. The full range of services includes engineering solutions. Studying the experience of our Western colleagues, we understand that the tramway has a reputation of the cheapest and most secure type of public transport. The Tekhenergoprom Group, together with municipal enterprises, implement the strategy of the tramway service to a new modern level. About the serious intentions of the company says her long-standing impeccable reputation for 20 years. Tekhenergoprom is one of the leading international operators for the supply of ferrous metals products, cast iron, steel billet, rails, shaped rolling, special profiles, steel grinding bolts, urea pipes, and much more. The company includes 3 divisions located abroad. These are Dolphin Steel Limited, United Kingdom, Tekhenergoprom R in the Moscow region of Karelov, and LLC Tekhenergoprom, Georgia, located in Tbilisi. During this period, the company established cooperation with partners from Russia, Great Britain, Turkey, China, Italy, Germany, Austria, Czech Republic and Ukraine. Cooperation with companies is constantly expanding. MetalExpo exhibition is additional proof of it. For decades, the Tekhenergoprom Group shows itself exclusively as a reliable partner.